Hi, this is Paul from paulbradby.com, and this is a vlog for our trading add-on club. This is a ThinkorSwim version, but it's also available for NinjaTrader. I want to go through harmonics today and also the EMA cloud and the pit open opening ranges as well, because there's a lot going off just recently in gold, and these are some great examples. This is where we are with gold right now. We've had the European pit open. We've had a nice long trade into the overnight high, and we're just settling down there. But I want to go back to yesterday and the day before. This is the 5-minute time frame, really favorite time frame of mine on gold. We have had 2 trades come from the completion of harmonic patterns, different harmonic patterns. The auto pattern recognition tool looks for those patterns. But the main thing is this first one here, we have the bat pattern complete in the projected completion zone. We then look for a long. Remember, we use this EMA cloud on the 34 EMA to look for the long. We didn't get the long coming out. It pulled back down, it found support, then we got the long coming out of the cloud all the way through the European afternoon into the New York gold pit open. Fantastic trade. This trade was something like a 92.5 entry up to the highs of around about 1912. So really big trade. And then into the afternoon we have a butterfly pattern complete on gold. During the US session, it completes in the projected target zone. Again, we are looking. The time for me is European time at the bottom here. It's not US time because I'm in Europe, but it completes. We're looking for a long above or a close above this 34 EMA cloud, and it goes overnight. You can leave the trade on all night here as long as you make it risk-free in Europe before you go to bed around about 11 o'clock, something like that. Make it risk-free on your entry. It still goes. And then this morning I've had a nice little trade after the European Open, breakout here all the way up, and it's tested the overnight highs. Always be looking at these highs. I say it's overnight, it's yesterday's high after just before that gold pit open there. This is a critical zone. We should always have that in mind if we're going to trade this European Open, for example. We want to make sure we are actually, at least risk-free when it gets to attempt to go through this overnight high, or just a quick scalp, load up the contracts and trade it up to that zone there. Lots of different strategies. But the main thing is these indicators that we have in the first quarter of your Trading Add-on Club membership are very powerful. I've done lots of examples. This is just another example over the last couple of days how just using this auto harmonic pattern finder, when they complete in the completion zone, you look for the longs. Use the 34 EMA cloud that's also in Q1 for your entries. Didn't enter here, didn't close above, but then we did. Okay, and then we had the big move up during the European afternoon, and then we got another one in the US session as well. So really powerful, very strong, especially on the 5-minute time frame for gold. Hopefully that helps, and I'll speak to you all really soon.